My name is Sajal Mariam and my roll number is 38. Today my topic of presentation is Industrial Control System Security. Industrial control system first of all deal with the instruments, different devices, systems or networks which are used to control or operate or automate our industrial processes. Nowadays, industrial control systems are nearly used in every industrial sector, which can be of manufacturing, in transportation, energy, or any other industrial sector. Industrial control system security deals with different strategies and policies which are used to safeguard our critical infrastructure and our operational technologies from external and internal threats, and these can be in any industrial sector of like manufacturing or energy. Industrial control system security is used to control or monitor physical or virtual activities in industrial operations. Industrial control system security rules in business operations. First of all, we have guarding critical infrastructure. It deals with the physical components which can be power plant, water treatment facilities, and transportation. Any issue or any disruption in these physical components can lead to severe consequences or financial loss in industry. Preserving operational continuity, it deals with the availability and integrity of industrial control system, which upholds the efficiency and reliability of our operations. Preserving operational continuity is involved in virtual looking after of industrial processes like their production delays, their revenue loss, or their avoiding downtimes. Averting data breaches and intellectual property threat, it deals in secure in industrial control system. It deals with the valuable data of industry and its customers' valuable data. Any outsider or unauthorized access to this data can lead to severe consequences in future. Different types of industrial control system: supervisory control and data acquisition system. This system deals with the managing and overseeing of our industrial processes and looking after to our industrial processes. Distributed control system, these are used to manage or look after our industrial data and its control system in one single main streamline operations. Programmable logic controllers, these function as a ruggedized computer, which means that these are the computers which can work in harsh or very tough environment, and these controllers are used to automate our industrial mechanical system to work in harsh environments, manufacturing environments. Building automation system, these are the controls and monitors of our building systems which look after the lighting security, and its primary focus is on energy sector. Then we have challenges of securing in industrial control system. First of all, we have ransomware attack. It is attack on our industrial data in which a malicious actor or threater encrypts our data and demands any kind of ransom in its release, which can lead in industrial operations and financial losses. Supply chain vulnerabilities. First of all, what is supply chain? Supply chain is when we arrange our work in a single streamline to look it look on it, but any point of weakness in that can be a good chance for a malicious sector to attack on it, and it makes our industrial control system compromised. Resource constraint is the major challenge in industrial control system, that we have limited scope, cost, or time, due to which we face the implementation and maintenance challenges in industrial system. Limited security awareness. If we don't have enough awareness about industrial sector security, and we lack our cyber security sector, our security sector, then we will lack the industrial control system security, which can further lead to insufficient investments in our infrastructure. Complexity can only be recognized when we have a good knowledge about industrial control system security, and a staff which have knowledge about it, which can understand the architecture and potential vulnerabilities, potential needs of industrial system and its control system. Connectivity, we have to look after the increasing connectivities of industrial control system, that if there is any missing point where we can if there is any weakness where our industrial system can be compromised, we have to look on it and efficiently work on it to get safe. We have common industrial control system threats. First of all, external threats and targeted attacks. These can be from any individual or any group to affect the industrial repute or affect the life of people connected with the industry, which can be customers, staff, or upholders of the industry, which in the person or group attacking the system can be your competitor, can be any outsider or any attacker. Internal threats, the more chances of internal threats increase when all the control of our industrial control system security is granted to one person. He or she looks after all the machines, all the systems by themselves. Then the chances of internal threats increase, that that person can harm the internal database or can be thief of our potential data. Human error and is the most common industrial control system threats. If a human look over any kind of alerts or it don't get alarmed and on any machinery working incorrectly, it can further lead in major losses in the future if a person is not well known about the industrial system. Then we have some real world case studies. In 2015 December, Ukraine faced a power grid system blackout, which affected nearly 2 lakh people, which was attacked by the Russian state hackers, which was used to control their malware by ICS or OT systems. In 2017, WannaCry ransomware attack did affect on large amount of countries, like 150 countries, and its demand was to pay back Bitcoin in exchange of a decryption key of encrypted data. In March 2018, the city of Atlanta was hit by a ransomware attack, and this attack was also a kind of industrial control system attack, which includes its court systems and airport Wi-Fi, which causes the wide disruption and financial losses. In May 2021, Colonial Pipeline ransomware was temporarily attacked, and it affected the fuel pipeline in United States, which leads to fuel shortage and prices increase. The price increase in fuel leads to the other price increase, which causes a major effect in United States, and it was also found out that it was done by a Russian criminal group, which in exchange demanded the ransom. In July 2021, a cyber attack on water treatment facilities in Florida was done to poison the water supply by manipulating chemical levels, but the attack was for before the time prevented, and it didn't done any harm. And it was also highlighted it was the potential for cyber attacks to cause physical harm. Thank you very much.